Children, as you have enjoyed a short story on Akbar and Birbal in the previous module, here is a story which is given in your textbook, and the title of the story is Birbal Does It Again. Children, it is in page number 102. You all have textbook with you. Let us read the story, which you know that it will be interesting because Birbal always solved all Akbar's problem with his sheer intelligence and wit. Birbal does it again. Once there was a washerman called Dinu. People in Emperor Akbar's court believed that seeing his face brought bad luck. Now what is the thing? If there was a washerman is the dhobi who washes the clothes, and his name was Dinu. And people in that kingdom believed that this man, if you see this man's face, that will bring some bad luck or ill luck in your life. So nobody liked this man, and we are going to read a picture story about this Dinu, Birbal and Akbar. One morning, oh dear, there is Dinu. I wonder if I will have a good day. As you can see, Emperor Akbar, he has got up in the morning, and from his window he can see Dinu is washing clothes. And as people in his kingdom believe that Dinu's face brought bad luck in a person's life, Akbar was also worried that, oh, I saw Dinu's face right in the morning and it will bring all my bad luck, and how will be my day today, I don't know. I'm worried. A little later, you can see a little later, means after some time, and I have bruised my leg, it hurts. Now what is bruised my leg? You can see Akbar is about to fall, he gets hurt, his legs get injured, he got hurt and he bruised his leg, and it is hurting. Naturally it pains when you also fall down or get hurt. In the third picture you can see, oh, a bee stung my finger, it will swell up now. Now he has gone to the garden and there was a bee, honeybee, which had sting, means stung. Stung means the sting, the base form of the verb. Matlab kaat dena, bee ne kaat diya. You all know, maybe some of you may have experienced. And you know when a bee stings, it swells. The place wherever it happens, it swells. So he said now it will swollen up. Next picture, children, as you can see, later in the day, after some time, maybe in the afternoon, the first person I saw today was Dinu. So Akbar has gone to his court and he's talking to his courtiers there, and he's saying that today the first person I have seen was Dinu. Perhaps all this happened because of him. So he is thinking and he's telling his courtiers that, today in the morning when I opened my eyes from the window, I saw Dinu, and for him I got hurt, I bruised my leg, I got it injured and it was paining, and moreover afterwards, after some time, a bee stung my finger and it's swollen up, and I am sure it all happened because of him. That person is responsible. Now his courtiers, as you can see, they are sitting. You are right, Huzur. So they telling my lord, you are correct. The other person, you can see 3 people are sitting in the court at that time. The second one saying, may no one else see his face again. Oh, he has done something very wrong, and for this he should be punished and nobody should see his face again. He has brought bad luck upon you. So he is telling more to Akbar, yes, for you that Dinu the washerman, you got bad luck. He should be put to death. And the third person says he should be hanged. He should be killed because he has brought bad luck to the emperor. Now in the next picture you can see, Huzur, you saw Dinu. And this is Birbal telling, the whole story cannot be given actually. Now what happened, Akbar called his soldiers and he catches, they means the soldiers, they catch Dinu and brought him before the emperor Akbar. And at that time all the courtiers were present. Birbal was also present. And Birbal is saying to Akbar, Huzur, you saw Dinu and you have a bruised leg and a bee stick. Dinu has seen you and he is about to lose his life. I wonder then, who is more unlucky of the two? So when Akbar again narrated the story to all his courtiers, then Birbal said, okay, my lord, you saw Dinu in the morning and you got hurt in your leg, your finger swollen up because a bee stung you. But this fellow, this poor washerman, he saw you and he is about to lose his life. What is lose his life? Because he will be hanged, he will be killed, so he is going to die. Now I wonder, who is more unlucky? Whether you or Dinu? You had bad luck because you hurt your leg and your finger got swollen. Dinu got bad luck because he saw you, he is going to lose his leg. So who is more, or who will bring more bad luck? You are right, Birbal. It is indeed a very foolish belief. So Akbar understood. Actually, Akbar, he trusted Birbal. And whatever Birbal advised him to do, he to always follow. Whether he has taken some wrong decision, he will correct it. That wrong decision also, he corrected it. And he said, yes, Birbal, you are really correct. I was giving a wrong judgment. People thought that Dinu brought bad luck or ill luck. That is absolutely wrong. Nobody can bring bad luck or ill luck. It is yours. You have done something wrong, okay, bad luck. And falling down and getting hurt or bee stinging is not related to somebody's face, isn't it? We many a times get hurt. That doesn't mean that we will think that somebody's face I have seen, that's why it brought bad luck to me. No. So Akbar realized his mistake and he says it is indeed a foolish belief that somebody's face will bring bad luck. Okay. So nice story with a moral. As usual, Birbal used to give lesson to everybody with his sheer intelligence and wit. Thank you.